Welcome to ABC DIY, where today we're talking about popsicle sticks. For the first hack, put some popsicle sticks in hot water and let them soak for at least 3 hours. Use a jar as a mold to give it a round shape. It doesn't have to be a jar, any similar object will do. Let dry. All done! Now we're going to decorate our popsicle sticks with colored masking tape. Trim around the edges. Be creative, you can play around with different colors and masking tapes. There you go, a brand new 100% DIY bracelet. For this hack, you're going to need a glue gun. Stick the popsicle sticks together in a hexagon shape, then stack them up. Keep piling, being careful to keep them aligned. Your popsicle stick tower should be about 4 to 6 inches high. Pretty simple, huh? Decorating your home just got real easy. Let's take a look at our next hack. Holding a book in one hand is never easy. Apply a dab of glue to the center of a popsicle stick and stick an old ring there. An easy fix to make reading time a whole lot more enjoyable. Use a glue gun, yes, we do like glue guns, to stick 4 popsicle sticks together in a square shape. Your popsicle stick tower should be about 2 to 4 inches high. Next, you'll need 4 strings. Tie each piece to one corner of your square. Then put a flower pot at the center. This DIY is going to give a lovely spring touch to your interior. You're in for a treat. This hack is super cute. Take 9 popsicle sticks and tie them together with masking tape. Apply glue with a brush to either side. Stick one of your favorite pictures to the popsicle sticks. Make sure everything is well glued. Use a box cutter to cut alongside each popsicle stick. Once you've properly cut them, each stick should display part of the picture. Your kids are going to love solving this jigsaw puzzle.